You really want to take your tax practice to the next level, automate the preparation of the returns with GruntWorks. What GruntWorks will do is take the data, create a file, and import it into many of the tax prep programs. When combined with Liscio, you can automate the tax organizer, create a file that GruntWorks will then take, put in many of the 1040 tax software prep programs, automating the practice, saving you 65% of your staff time, according to my tax rep members, and eliminating input errors. Okay, this is the step that you need to take that tax prep practice to a very profitable tax preparation business that allows you now to be the advisor to your clients, bill accordingly, and become much, much more profitable.